Today we are doing a long-term analysis of Nifty. In the previous analysis on December 10th, we had said that this current up move can fall anytime, and this fall can minimum retrace 50% of the last swing. And if you see the retracement, this has actually fallen 50% of the last swing. The reason is that if you go back in time and you can see at this moment of time in 2016, price had retraced back exactly 50%. And after this, we got a structure, bullish structure, and market started to move up. Will that happen this time? Let us see. If you see after this, we got a structure like this. And if you copy this structure, this price action, and let me go to the So if you get a structure like this again, and from this structure, if you connect this trend line, then some up move cannot be ruled out. Because if you see on a monthly time frame, if you see the longer picture of Nifty, there is no divergence between previous swings. So after this corrective pattern, we again expect Nifty to go and break this top. But this correction is right now, as of now, there is no sign that this is over. So this may go on until and unless we get something bullish so that we can capture the next big up. So as of now, let us try to find this. If you see this chart, you can see there were three waves out of this. So let us discuss this three-wave structure. This was the first wave, this was the second wave, and this is the third wave. Now internally, if you see, this is the impulsive move, this followed by a corrective structure, this is the corrective structure in it, and this again is an impulsive move to the down. So normally people think that after this the next impulse start, but if you see the longer picture, this part is just a single wave of higher degree. So which means that there can be possibility of three-wave structure on the monthly time frame also. So this means that this correction may not be over, and this, if you draw a Fibonacci of this, you can see this is around 0.27%, which means this can be still a correction and can be the B wave, and this fall can be the A wave, and we are presently in the C wave, which means that once the C wave is over, we will get the next up move to the upside. However, this is a wave of larger degree, so this may take some more time, and as of now, there is no respite. So first possibility is that we get a good structure like this breakout, then that will be the time to enter into investments. Now whether that move will come from this area or it can break this area, so as of now we don't have any answer, so we have to wait for this. Normally if you see this pattern in which price goes above, this is the A wave and price has gone above this, so this corrective pattern is either a running flat or an expandable flat. So if this is an expandable flat, this will break this structure also. And if this is a running flat, this will stay below this. And if this is an expandable flat, the target for that can be, let me show you. So first reversal point can be this 0.618%. If this is clear, it can go as low as 100%, that is 15,1483. And at this point, if this is also gone, then you can get as low as 13,000 also. However, as of now, we have to wait for further price action. Now let us see on the daily chart what are the further possibilities of this pattern. And if you see closely, this was a wave. After that, we got this corrective structure, and this completed here. And so this overall was one single wave here. Now after this wave, we can be into a bigger corrective structure, or this can be an impulse. So as of now, this part is not clear, because the problem with correction is that once they are over, then only we can see whether that is a correction is over or not. This can be just a single A wave, and this can be the part of B wave. So we can get once up move to complete the C wave, and then one more fall. Or other possibility is that this can be the end of correction, and this is the fresh impulse to the down. However, in both case, we are expecting one pullback, either correction or impulsively, and then after that we can update further progress. If you get any buy setup here, maybe on hourly, if you see this is a trend line, so if you get any buy setup followed by a correction, take it for some up move. And on a lower chart interval, you can see as of now there is no buy setup, because if you see this is forming continuously lower highs and lower lows, and if you see this again forming lows, and this was a lower high, this again you can see forming. Now this is forming a contraction pattern, and from this we can expect the up move, because you can see to the left also there was a contraction pattern here, and after that you got some up move. So I hope this is clear, and if there are any doubts, please post them as comments, and if this delivers value, please consider subscribing.